6 plus 20 equal 26. 10 plus 8 equal 18. 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. 9 plus 9 is equal to 18. 10 plus 10 equal to 20. 21 plus 23 is equal 44. 15 plus 40 is equal to 55. 4 plus 16 plus is equal to 20. 12 plus 6 is equal to 18. 10 plus 10 equal 20. 23 plus 20 is equal 43. 10 plus 20 is equal 30. 24 plus 19 is equal 43. 25 plus 8 is equal 33. 26 plus 21 is equal 47.
Let's addition of number block. Let's start. 60 plus 60 equal 120. 4 plus 4 equal 8. 23 plus 23 equal 46. 50 plus 50 equal 100. 200 plus 200 equal 400. 15 plus 15 equal 30. 35 plus 35 equal 70. 80 plus 80 equal 160. 20 plus 20 equal 40. 51 plus 51 equal 102. 76 plus 76 equal 152. 92 plus 92 equal 182.
70 900, 1000, 2000, 3000, 4000, 5000, 6000, 7000, 8000, 9000, 10,000.
Adding up to 10 score number. Let's start.
31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40 is equal to 355.
Let's repeat again.
31 plus 32 is equal 63. 63 plus 33 is equal 96. 96 plus 34 is equal to 130. 130 plus 35 is equal to 165. 165 plus 36 is equal to 201. 201 plus 37 is equal to 238. 238 plus 38 is equal 276. 276 plus 39 equal 315. 315 plus 40 is equal 355. Next, 41 plus 42 plus 43 plus 44 plus 45 plus 46 plus 47 plus 48 plus 49 plus 50 is equal to 455. 41 plus 42 is equal to 38. 38 plus 43 is equal to 125. 125 plus 44 is equal 170. 170 plus 45 is equal 215. 215 plus 46 is equal 261. 261 plus 45 is equal 308. 308 plus 48 is equal 356. 356 plus 49 is equal 405. 405 plus 50 equal 455. Next, 51 plus 52 plus 53 plus 54 plus 55 plus 56 plus 57 plus 58 plus 59 plus 60 is equal to 555. 51 plus 52 is equal to 103. 103 plus 53 equal 156. 156 plus 54 plus 210. 210 plus 55 is equal to 256. 256 plus 56 is equal
Let's repeat
321.
again.
321 plus 57 equal 378. 378 plus 58 equal 436. 436 plus 98 equal 495. 495 plus 60 is equal to 455.
Today we learn addition of 3 joints number block. So let's start. 62 plus 62 plus 62 is equal to 186. Next, 72 plus 82 plus 92 equal 246. No, next, 100 plus 100 plus 100 equal 3000. Next, 200 plus 200 plus 200 equal 600. No, next. 1000 plus 1000 plus 1000 equal 300.